Tally Prime doesn't have a specific concept called stock category like it does for stock group and stock item. However, you can achieve similar categorization and organization of stock items using stock groups and other features in Tally Prime. Here is how you can categorize and organize stock items effectively. Use stock groups. Stock groups in Tally Prime act as categories for organizing your inventory items. You can create stock groups to represent different categories of items you deal with. For example, you might have stock groups like electronics, clothing, groceries, etc. Create substock groups. If you want to further categorize items within a stock group, you can create subgroups. For instance, within the electronics stock group, you can have subgroups like mobile phones, laptops, etc. Use stock items. Stock items represent individual products or items that your business deals with. Assign stock items to appropriate stock groups or subgroups to organize them effectively. Assign attributes. You can assign attributes like HSN SAC codes, tax rates, and more to stock items to streamline taxation and reporting. Advanced inventory features. Tally Prime offers advanced inventory features like batch management and godowns, warehouse. These features allow you to manage and track stock items with additional details and storage locations. Stock reports and analysis. Generate stock reports in Tally Prime to analyze the status of stock items within different categories, stock groups,